This is me again, your Nandini. I'm here to help you teach Gen AI in bite-sized videos and quick, easy explanation. Do you want to know what is the roadmap of Agentic AI? Example, if it's going to rain, a chatbot can only say that this is the weather for Bangalore today. If it's an agent, you can ask agent help, and it does things for you one step ahead. It can help you get close your windows and check the temperature and switch on the inverter, like that, going one step ahead and do things for you. Agents helps you do things. It's like a personalized planner for you. It's like an assistant for you with context, with memory, with efficient token usage and all that. And that's what agent is all about. It helps you prepare for something with its own autonomy. And you're looking for a roadmap to agentic AI. Focus on this core points at which area you should focus. Firstly, about reasoning, about the memory, about the action, about the COT models. Then about the core blocks on how do you retrieve, what is API, what is orchestration framework, and you should focus on safety like guardrails, red teaming, compliance, and all that, and collaboration, how multi-agents and swarms work. And sixth is about tools, which tools you can use like Make AI, OpenAI agent mode, and N8N, and then capabilities like code agent, voice agent, data research agent, like that. And we should know about business value, the ROI, the accuracy, the adoption, the cost, and then about deployment, local versus cloud, how we are able to manage. And then 10th is about vertical agents, like for your particular domain, like airlines or healthcare or finance or law, you can learn it, create based on that. And last is Swarm, self-improving agent. That's the kind of future. So here is a quick, easy roadmap to agentic AI in less than 60 seconds. And this is your Nandini. I help you teach AI in easy terms. And firstly, to start with roadmap of agentic AI, firstly, we should start in the way that how it takes inputs, the reasoning behind it, step-by-step reasoning. That's what is happening. That is called chain of thought, like step-by-step, like a student understanding a problem. And there is something called graph of thought. There is something called tree of thought, like that. It's the way that reasons it behind it. And they use memory and it plans to act. First is reasoners. Second is orchestration power. Tools like land graph and autogen lets multiple AI parts talk, coordinate, and run the workflows behind it. And fourth is smarter retrieval. It is used for vector database. I talked about in other podcasts. Vector database hybrid search is to pull the query from the knowledge that we have. And fifth is APIs decode. APIs are the bridges that let agents talk to apps like email, Slack, Google Drive, etc. And sixth is learning loops, feedback models like RLHF, that is human feedback, and RLVR, that is vote-based and ranking, and RO on its own. And then we have multi-agent setup where agents can collaborate like a team leader, worker style like peer-to-peer, or plan tasks like it works in conjunction. And 8 is tools to watch. So I would recommend to create an agent. You can go to N8N to create workflows, or OpenAI agent mode itself. It's easy. And Gemini AI for new agentic features, they have released something like that agent mode we can build. And there is Make AI. And what agents can do, it can build apps, web analyze, data file reports. It can organize, it can plan things for you. It can do anything. Write code on demand. Examples, that you can build a coding agent which can write, debug code like Google Jules. And you can even build a voice agent which can listen and talk, and using OpenAI's Whisper AI calls and 11 Labs and Hume AI, like that kind of vibe coding app. And then research agent you can build like search, it can search and summarize using Perplexity. And then you can build data agent which can analyze spreadsheets like Julius AI. And you can even build a UI agent, like it can click and automate web tasks like Skyward, Convergence, and Proxy. And 10th is about benchmarks. Benchmarks is basically a stress test for the LLM to do the red teaming and guardrails, whether it's everything is working fine and all that we can put into stress test basically. And then deployment. Roadmap of agentic AI should learn how we can deploy it to local or cloud servers. And vertical AI agents. Vertical AI agents is about customized for industry, specifically for airlines, for healthcare, for finance, like that. And you can build vertical agents. And lastly, Swarm. Swarm is self-improving agents where the agent evolves in itself, upgraded itself, corrects in itself. And in short, agents are evolving from simple tasks bots to smarter network teams that can learn, that can coordinate, that can scale into real world business tools. It can do things on its own for you, just like your personalized planner. And this is the overall roadmap of Agentic AI. I hope this helps. Follow me for more. I'm Nandini. I help you teach